Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and immediately saving a backup so you can undo big changes. Next, select the text with the underline. Use Ctrl+A if you want the whole file. Once done, look at the Home tab because the underline control and font dialog live there. You need the right selection to ensure changes apply where intended. This preparation avoids accidental removal in other areas and points you straight to the control you will use next. You can remove a simple underline by clicking the Underline button on the Home ribbon. It toggles off immediately, which is why selecting first matters. For speed, press Ctrl+U to toggle the underline state. If the underline persists because it's a style or custom underline, open the font dialog with Ctrl+D, choose Underline Style equals None, and click OK. These steps handle both basic and disguised formatting choices, so make sure you apply them with the correct. If underlines remain, you're likely dealing with styles, hyperlinks, or direct formatting. You should modify the style. Right-click the style in the Styles pane, choose Modify, then format right arrow font and set Underline to None so future text won't reappear underlined. Once done, clear direct formatting using the Clear All Formatting button to strip stubborn overrides. Finally, if it's a hyperlink, right-click and remove hyperlink. If problems persist, restart Word and reapply these checks. That often clears cached formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.